All right, good evening, and welcome to Silver TV on YouTube. Yeshia Chakaka, Yeshia Chakaka, but anyway, Yeshia, things about 3 days in some I am found by, the very said, you bet me the ever bremo, Silver TV. Na in some credentials, in finishing goes at also. Well, let's start from. Let's start from the transfers of Asante Kotoko. Let's start from the transfers of Asante Kotoko. Now, when you talk about transfers, there are two sides of the transfer. You want the ins and the outs. You see, me bonnet total, mine is simple. Now, let's start from the outs. Now, last week, and Yan and Tia, say, Kumasi Asante Kotoko coach Ogu. Based on certain reasons, mmeranteɛ no bi wɔ hu sɛ ɛho behia sɛ mpanimfoɔ ebɛgye ɔmo kwan na list no sei na ɛteɛ deɛ nsa kaa yɛ yɛbɔ player no din a we will try and justify deɛ nti a coach no di ne din ɛhyɛ list no now deɛ nsa kaa no yɛ sɛ aberanteɛ frɛ no Prince Adasa Kotoko youth team no nti ɛna aberanteɛ baa ɔbaa nkyɛn bɛyɛ 6 months mu a na aberanteɛ yi ɔyɛ akɔ na deɛ hu yɛ ne deɛ nsa kan ne sɛ ɛyɛ loan ɛna na ɛhyɛ aberanteɛ n'anim now the justification no was that Prince Adasa sɛ ɔhwɛ na Kotoko assign a new right back it's official Kotoko assigning a new right back in a year, Emmanuel Kotei. Now, the coming in of Kotei means that from now to the end of the season, he is going to be a starter for Asante Kotoko. Now, if he's going to be a starter for Asante Kotoko, what it means is that the right fullback position, Prince Adasa will not have much playing time. So the technical team, which was led by Coach Ogum Nombili, said, say my brother friend Prince Adasa Ekoluna you'll get more playing time club no bekono you want say club CB pro relegation be Heart of Lions Karela clubs maybe breno o de no koha obenya more playing time by getting more playing time you will come back better to help team friend Asante Kotoko. So that was with the Prince Adasa bit. Because you see, they say in the pecking order, no, right fullback position, Kotei lead, and the others will follow. Now, still on the right fullback position, there was Augustine Japan, and also being echelon move. The reason is that coach in the Tanasi and Shishayano, I want to say Augustine Japan, and Abranti bit to say a year, Prince Adasa right fullback one, so was Shisha. Kotei, Fusini, Saaku, Samuel, someone, they will all come ahead of Augustine Japan and Prince Adasa. It is Amaranti, Omuku Luna. The Mensekani said that was what the coach requested. So, still on a coach Ogum Sementi, a Japan, and a Abranti, a friend, a Adasa, the two right fullback, based on the signing of the new right back from Tima, a friend in Swatreman, in the shape of Emmanuel Kotei, no, it looks like on the pecking order, no, or your favorites, and the technical team will love to take them out of the club. As to say the deal is done there, so many club club I cannot say for sure, but list no, and me chichimu ede ama. Currently, as we speak, Coach Ogum Ewo Cote d'Ivoire. Ya can't want some that I can't occupy tertiary idea chill. And yes, I can't coach Ogum Swa. Yan and TSA obe join the Black the Black Stars no, and also Abemu Pepe Penti the right fullback position. Now, John Tedeku is on the list, but I can confidently confirm it to you, sir. With John Tedeku no, impending for 8 step in, and they objected to the loan move of John Tedeku from what I was speaking, nenye John Tedeku non say transfer window ni bi enu Kumasi Asante Kotoko wanted Imoro Ibrahim, and Asante Kotoko at the same time wanted a left fullback. So there was the need, say, one of the left backs, no, and now two in Pubeko, because now, based on system Asante Kotoko born, coach Efene Ogum about Enoch Morrison as a left wing back. Intinebe Morrison first choice and the new left back, no. Nah, Ababe, because you see, I got 3 left backs. Intine say 2 echo. But I know, so no, from what I was told, leadership of Asante Kotoko objected to John Tedeku's loan move. Omo antiasie. Na enya no pen omo antiasie. Nicholas Osebo so there no. There was an objection to that. And no omo. So yes, it is true. From our details, information on John Tedeku and Nicholas Osebo so na omo less so. Now, another player now also was Dauni Yaya. Also, Kotoko this season, we share Dauni Yaya intimate a single official game for Kumasi Asante Kotoko for some reasons or the other. Now, the coach felt that any contract termination, but say Dauni Ekolona Ebebwa. Meaning, says, Kotoko share blame Sharif Mohammed Yusuf Nuruddin Henry Ansu. Omo AI the first choice in terms of centre back position. I know says Kwai and said any ho Emma Dauni Yaya. So yes, based on the advice of the technical team, no, they were hoping say Dauni so a bit to me ako loan. As to say a year Juma, like I'm saying, where Leicester and Sakai, but as to say club no. Let me secure deals for all these players, no. I'll be lying if I said say minimum BBC. Now Eric Zeze and not there was a chance to sell Zeze to a Timwa your friend in Swatremine, but the deal failed. Zeze off the field behavior. As a suban be a brandy and a dan a dino, and in your maybe a brandy and you know. Goes against the direction of the technical team. So yes, there was the request to take Zeze or to transfer Zeze. And they say, we know, kebe ton ankasa enana Asante Kotoko epese omoton abrante fen Eric Zeze. Now, enye Zeze sonkwa other names on the list. Obi to say Julius Ziggy. And no, there was a meeting between Ziggy where he requested say if the management don't want him to work again with Kotoko dia and omu intra ne contract mu na ehun hyehyɛ no mpanimfoɔ enye. So that is the update on Julius Ziggy Kotei. Ono the mpanimfoɔ no initiate and it looks like okay, so mu try the contract no na sɛ ombe okay dia omu nyina ntwam na ehun hyehyɛ no wɔn ntimi mfa nyɛ adwuma. In this case nhyehyɛ no ɛbɛyɛ te sɛ ebi a wo pay ne off na ɛno so atoa so ɛwɔ hɔ nti for the names no this is what we have. Yes, Kalu Watara ɛso edin epie mu at the time ana Asante Kotoko ɛpɛ Prince Kwabena Owusu no na Kotoko at the same time ɛsan ɛpɛ Safiu Safiu no Mrantie mienu wei in Kalu, which potentially kebetimi aye brekum Chelsea or go back on a loan deal, no, it popped up. But for financial reasons, it looks like most of players na coach Ogumo Peno mensa entimi ankanintino ama some of these deals no so entimi anye adwuma ma mpanifo etimi etiemu ewo ha mede ho ntremu Eddie Emma. So those who wanted the exit of Asante Kotoko, this is the list we have. It's our players we know say Adiebechi no what to say ebie fra Asante Kotoko. Don't be surprised. Now moving forward, 2 done deals for Asante Kotoko, Abdul Fattah Safiu and Abrantie Freno. Emmanuel Kotei. Safiu will come in as a forward with so much experience to add up to Asante Kotoko anim hɔ no. The number of chances a club ni nya almost say no, and someone who can also operate in the Mukwala style, because Mukwala we nipa obetimi pra obetimi ayare. But when you watch the Kotoko team at the moment, in the absence of Steve Mukwala, no, as obi enwa obetimi operate like Steve Mukwala. Indeed, the technical team wanted a player of Mukwala's experience, Mukwala's class, and the pedigree, and also in terms of delivery. Obetimi deliver similar to Abrante and Steve Mukwala, and that is why Abdul Fattah Safiu comes in.